everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. In today's video, we're going to review the wireless earbuds. If you're looking for a powerful and unparalleled audio experience, then you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be reviewing the status between Pro True wireless earbuds with charging case. These earbuds are packed with amazing features, from hybrid triple drivers to 36 hours of battery life, and so much more. So, let's dive right in and see what these earbuds have to offer. First off, let's talk about the hybrid triple drivers. The status between Pro earbuds come with an impressive combination of two balanced armature drivers and one dynamic driver in each ear. This results in a frequency response that is nothing short of unparalleled, providing crystal clear sound at all levels. One speaker is dedicated to commanding bass, another with warmed mids, and a third solely for bright treble. So, whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or taking a call, you can expect superior audiophile grade quality and interruption-free calls. Next, let's talk about the noise isolation feature. The status between Pro earbuds use advanced noise isolation technology to ensure crystal clear sound quality and excellent call clarity. They feature 4 external microphones using Qualcomm CVC noise cancellation technology, which filters out disruptive background noise for an enhanced, rich call experience. This technology provides superior noise suppression, so every conversation is precise and audible, making it the best call experience yet. Now, let's discuss the water resistance feature. The status between Pro earbuds are IPX5 water resistant, providing superior protection, giving you the freedom to enjoy your music in any environment. Whether you're on an intense workout or running through heavy downpours, these earbuds can keep up with your active lifestyle, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Last but not least, let's talk about the battery life. The status between Pro earbuds provide an industry-leading battery life of 12 hours with an additional 36 from its charging case. That's a total of 48 hours of uninterrupted music listening. Its ultra-sleek styling provides maximum comfort, perfect for revolutionizing your listening pleasure. So, whether you're on a long flight or a road trip, you can enjoy your music without worrying about running out of battery. In conclusion, the status between Pro True wireless earbuds with charging case offer a truly powerful audio sensation with hybrid triple drivers, Bluetooth 5.2, and Qualcomm chipset, providing you with an unparalleled soundscape of deep tones and rich frequency for the ultimate listening pleasure. With advanced noise isolation, water resistance, and an industry-leading battery life of 36 hours, these earbuds are perfect for anyone looking to elevate their listening experience. And with free returns and free Prime delivery,